Let's see how to add line numbers in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now, to add line numbers to your document, first click on the Layout tab. And from here, look for line numbers under the Page Setup section. And then you click on that, this list will pop up where you can choose your type of line numbers. So for example, if you want to choose a continuous line numbering, that means that your line numbers will continue from page 1 up to the end of your document. Or you can also opt to restart the line numbers for each page. And whenever you open or add a new page, the line numbers will begin from 1. Or if you want, you can set line numbers for each section. So for example, if you have some section breaks in your document, you can opt to have line numbers for each of those sections. Or you can also choose to have line numbers for the entire document, but suppress those numbers for a certain paragraph by clicking on suppress for current paragraph. And that is how you can add line numbers in Microsoft Word. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.